The evolving conflict dynamics around the world signal the emergence of a new era in warfare dominated by drones. Leading the charge in addressing the menace of unmanned air systems, the U.S. Army foresaw this shift and has been proactive in identifying methods to track and counter hostile drones. What are these methods? Join us as we explore the guns of drone warfare in this video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel so that we keep coming up with more content. Defense against drones is crucial due to the increasing lethality and adaptability of drone systems, presenting challenges for defenders. The affordability of drones allows even countries with limited resources to deploy swarm attacks, overwhelming conventional defenses. Additionally, their small size makes detection and tracking difficult, and modifications can enhance their stealth capabilities, surpassing the range of defensive measures. The widespread availability of drone manufacturing technology makes it challenging to enforce sanctions, enabling users to incorporate advanced features, such as Western guidance technology. Drones can be controlled remotely or programmed for unpredictable flight, complicating defensive efforts. Their diverse applications, from kinetic attacks to surveillance, coupled with evolving technologies, underline the need for robust defense strategies to counter the multifaceted threats posed by drones. The U.S. military has inaugurated the Drone Warfare Academy, a groundbreaking initiative aimed at training American armed forces to counter the escalating threat posed by drones or unmanned aircraft systems, UAS. The Joint Counter Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems University, as the Academy is officially named, is designed to train approximately 1,000 troops annually. Colonel Mosef Saa, the director of the JCU, underscores the urgency to match the growing demand and capacity required to address the swiftly changing nature of warfare. Let's talk about the guns of drone warfare now. Smash 2000L Optics. Israel-based company Smart Shooter has secured a contract with the U.S. Army to deliver its Smash 2000L optics as part of the counter-UAS program. The system employs artificial intelligence, assisted vision, and advanced algorithms to enable the precise targeting of small drones. Weighing approximately 1.5 pounds, it is significantly lighter than its predecessor. Smart Shooter plans to further improve the optics, offering up to 8 times magnification for the Irregular Warfare Technical Support Directorate, catering to the U.S. Department of Defense and interagency customers. The Smart Shooter is a smart optic placed on the M4 weapon system, providing soldiers with a better opportunity to engage close and low-flying small unmanned aircraft system (UAS) threats. The concept involves using a real gun to shoot down drones. Drone Gun Tactical. Australia and US-based company Drone Shield specializes in drone counter technology, with a recent contract order from the Five Eyes community for their anti-drone guns. The Drone Gun Tactical, designed for countering unmanned aircraft systems (UAS), is a hand-operated device featuring long-range capability. Resembling a lightweight, steady rifle with antennas, it provides a safe means to counter diverse UAS threats, including drones, without causing harm to commonly used drone models or the surrounding environment. Mjolnir. The Air Force Research Laboratory has successfully tested Thor, a groundbreaking weapon designed to disable large groups of drones using powerful bursts of microwave energy. Building on Thor's success, the lab announced the development of its successor, Mjolnir, in 2021. Leidos was selected in 2022 to build Mjolnir, incorporating Thor's technology with enhanced capability, reliability, and manufacturing readiness. During testing, Mjolnir demonstrated a 90% effectiveness rate, with further adjustments expected to achieve 100%. This weapon detects approaching drones early, analyzes their threat, and uses microwave energy bursts to disable drones operating in swarms. Mjolnir's compact design allows it to be conveniently stored in a single cargo container, facilitating easy deployment on the ground or transport using Air Force cargo planes. Setting up the system takes only 3 hours with 2 people, and minimal training is required for operation. Additionally, it can draw power from a standard wall plug to eliminate enemy UAVs. Silent Archer. The challenge of detecting low-flying small drones, including commercially available quadcopters, which can evade radar, is addressed in an Army report highlighting the escalating threat from unmanned aerial systems, UAS. With over 600 different types of small drones deployed in more than 80 countries, the U.S. Army awarded SRC a $108 million contract for their Silent Archer counter UAS system to counter the growing menace posed by small, slow, and low-flying drones worldwide. SRC's Silent Archer system incorporates radar and electronic sensors to effectively identify, track, and neutralize small enemy drones. Initially ordered by the Army, with a $65 million contract for 15 sets in 2017. Additional recognition came in April 2018, when the Air Force awarded a $57 million contract for the same counter-drone systems. Want to know more? Support us by liking and subscribing to the video.